We're learning about space, and this is Jupiter. Jupiter is like a round circle, but it's a planet. And we're learning about Earth, Mercury, Mars, Venus, and Earth. And we have Neptune. Neptune has rings, and so does the other planets. Saturn has rings, and it's the beautifulest planet in the future. And we have Uranus is like
What is it called?
Neptune. Uranus.
Uranus?
Uranus.
That's better.
Uranus goes like in the planet. It's like Saturn, and it's like Neptune. And Pluto, it's way up. And Pluto is what Jenna likes. And it's way up in the sky that no one can fly to. Pluto is the planet that is in our future. And we're learning about space. And you know, Saturn is the best planet, and it's very, very beautiful. And Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the planets we don't live in. But we live in Earth. And that's our planet we live in. And Saturn, we know it's just one, two, and it's very beautiful. And it has rings on it, that's why it's so beautiful.
Wow. Thank you for your lesson.